Good afternoon, I'm Judith, and welcome to the AGN Afternoon update for April 22nd, 2025. Here are your top stories this hour. In Malaysia, the country recorded 267 sponsored clinical studies in 2024, pushing its global research reputation further. Internationally, President Putin says Russia is open to direct peace talks with Ukraine, marking a rare diplomatic opening. Across Asia, Japan expresses concern over US auto tariffs that clash with a 2019 trade agreement. Let's go to Fernando for more details.
Thank you. Starting with Malaysia, Health Minister Dr. Zulkifli Ahmad revealed that the country recorded 267 sponsored clinical trials last year, according to the CRM 2024 annual report. That brings the total to over 2,500 since 2012. Malaysia also hit a record 5 first-in-human studies in 2024, all conducted at Sarawak General Hospital. CRM's initiatives like the Center of Excellence and its ASEAN-level collaboration aim to position Malaysia as a premier clinical research hub by 2033. On the international front, President Vladimir Putin has for the first time in years expressed openness to bilateral peace talks with Ukraine. He emphasized Russia's willingness to halt strikes on civilian targets. President Zelensky responded by reaffirming Ukraine's readiness for dialogue, provided the attacks stop. Talks are expected in London this week, with growing pressure from the US to show real progress or risk the collapse of peace efforts. In Asia, Japan's Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba has voiced strong concern over the inconsistency between the 2019 Japan-US trade deal and President Trump's new 25% automobile tariffs. Although Japan was assured of exemption under the previous agreement, it now faces revived duties on car exports. Trade and finance officials from both nations are in Washington this week to address non-tariff barriers, exchange rates, and tariff policies. Back to you.
Thank you. In summary, Malaysia strengthens its clinical research standing, diplomacy gains traction in Ukraine-Russia tensions, and Japan pushes back on unfair trade practices. Stay informed. Follow AGN for trusted news every hour.